Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to continue with the major chords again. This time we're going to learn the A and the E major chords. So we've done the G, C, D major chords. So we want to add A and G, A and E. Yeah. So since we've learned the D already, yeah, when we learn the A and E, we can add a D, so that it will be like just like we were doing for the G, and just like we were doing for the C. So we are going to A, E. So what is the A chord? How does it look like? So all three. So we're going to use these three fingers, index to ring, one after the other. So index on the third, the fourth string on the second fret, ring on the third string, the same fret. Index in the middle on the second, third string, and the ring on the second string. I think that's where we have the A note. Where do we have the A note? On the third string. Yeah, this is where the A note is. So this is actually B, so C, C sharp. So when you play all of them together, you have, so from the A, you have A major, or you can play from the top. Anyway, I would be like well, let's leave it there. So that's your A. And what about the E? If you can recall, we learned the E minor like this. Then you bring this guy here on the third string, first fret. That will give you your E major. So A, E, A, so as a beginner, I think you go one by one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Yeah, so let's try and add the D to it. So as you are practicing this, you have to get the speed when it comes to changing the chords. So it's your hands are able to move without you looking at it. Yeah, with practice you become perfect with the switching between those chords. So you can see that. So that's it for the A and the E major. So you can practice with the other chords that form the A major scale, but most of it are bar chords. So that will be our next tutorial. So take your time and keep on practicing the G, C, D, A, E major, A minor, D minor, E minor, F. Yeah, so those are the chords that we've learned so far. Keep on practicing and you'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my channel to someone, share this video to someone that you know might be in need. Anyone that wants to learn, you don't have to wait for anything. just subscribe to my channel. My channel will be the best place to be able to learn the guitar, learn how to play the guitar, and even become better than I am myself. Yeah, because the more you practice, the more you become better. So you may practice at a much higher rate than I am, so you can become better. So keep on practicing, and see you next time in my future videos. Thank you.